Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. This is video number 4 for hashtag Vintage Christmas Day in July 2021. This collaboration is hosted by Teri Lee of Sweet Pea Papers and Lisa Fisher and Kyung Shotwell, who designed this beautiful kit that we are using for this collaboration. This is participated by a number of very talented crafters. We are here to share with you our projects until July 31st. It has been so much fun for me, and I hope that you enjoyed our project shares as well. If you type in hashtag Vintage Christmas Day in July 2021, you will see all this beautiful work. Oh, I think I said beautiful again so many times, and I am just starting. In one of my videos, and probably you've seen that, I said beautiful 14 times, and I think the video was only 12 minutes. 14 times. And I am hoping that I don't do that same thing here. Okay, back to this video. So this is my 4th video, and today I am sharing very easy projects. I already showed 2 journals that I made for this collaboration, and now I am going to show you how I use my scraps and the offcuts and leftover from the previous projects. And these are magnetic book markers or journal markers, page markers. So my projects are bookmarks but magnetic, and I will show you how I make this. It's very easy. And so this is another beautiful image, beautiful. Let us use the word lovely instead. Okay, so very nice, lovely image from the kit. Excuse me, something in my throat. I really love all these images. Friends, Kyung Shotwell was the one who designed all these gorgeous images. So pretty. This is one of my favorites. Snow skate, snow boots. And then I have here sentiments. Great sayings too. And then words. All these words are from the kit, and I just back them with the pieces of paper that are left over. And then these are the magnets. And when you package it like this, it can go in a happy mail. It's very easy to just put in one of your cards as part of your happy mail, and you can add any sentiment that you want. This is a great way of using our scraps and those small pieces of paper that we normally just throw away. And I have here more words, and I will show you how I use them or how you can use them in your book or your journal. I like making this just because I have too many small pieces of paper, and sometimes they're just too pretty to throw away. So this is a good way to save them. So I will grab a journal. This is not using the kit. This is an old journal of mine, and I haven't really used this. I made 2 similar journals last year, and I listed one and it got sold. So this was mine, but I never used it. So let me show you how you can use this page marker just like that. And it does not just embellish your page, but it is a very strong bookmark. It is easier to get to the page where you left off. I know in my case, I would lose my bookmarks, so this is not gonna go anywhere because again it has a strong magnet. So let's show you another one. I like how it looks. I think this looks pretty. What do you think? It's a great embellishment. Let's try another one. Of course, you're not gonna use all these magnetic book markers in your journal unless you use it as embellishment, not as a marker. This looks pretty too. And let's see, yep, it will hold it. So a marker, an embellishment, and a clip. Let's try to put something here. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I have another one that I want to show you. Looks nice. And let's see. I really like this one. I love the dye that I use, and great image. Let's try to put something, see if it holds. Yeah, there you go. So that is my project share. But what if you use it as a bookmark, just as a bookmark? So this is how you do that. And there, easy peasy. So you're not gonna lose your page, and it's easy to go back to where you left off. You can also use this big one, just like that. And what I like most about this magnetic marker is even if I drop the book, I know that I won't lose my page. You can use the magnets that you buy from Dollarama or Dollar Store, and this is strong enough for this purpose. But I like using the circle ones. These are stronger magnets. Okay, so let us make more magnetic markers, and depending on the size of the marker that you want, you just make sure that your paper is folded. I have here something that I started already, and these are again words from the kit. I back them with red cardstock, and then I use the black cardstock to hold a magnet. This is a piece that I cut out of the one sheet, and you can cut this by using your regular trimmer. And for this type of project, I like to use the double-sided tape, and this is also from the dollar store. One side is already done, there's already magnets, and we are just going to do the other side. You're probably thinking, I have 56 gorgeous pages, why am I using the offcuts and the small pieces or the scraps? And that is because I am still hoping to finish a couple more journals. I just love this kit so much, and I want to make more to give away to some friends. Plus, I also want to make more journal cards. You know, stock up with ephemera and journal cards and things that we can use with our personal journals. I was also inspired by so many other projects from this collaboration, and I would like to try making them too. So yes, those pages will be used in no time at all. For this collaboration though, I think I only have one more video to show, and that is it. July is over and oh boy, it's going to be winter soon. If only we could have just a little bit of snow during winter, okay? Because here where I am, it really snows a lot, and I just like the snow on Christmas Day. That's it. And here, sometimes snow starts as early as November, and then it still snows up to April or end of April. This is almost done, and there you go. So that's done. Easy peasy. Why don't we make another one? Let me just grab another piece of magnet. The good thing here is the magnetic sheet has the sticky on one side, so you don't have to even add any more glue. It's very sticky. So attach this to the one side, and there you go. We are done. So we just grab a cardstock to put our magnets. This piece is die cut. And there you go. Nice packaging too, I think. And you can put this in one of the pockets in your journal, or again, give this as part of your happy mail. So there you go. This is what I have for you today. And again, these are very easy, simple magnetic bookmarkers or page markers, and I just love making them. So let me know what you think, and I hope that you continue to support #Vintage Christmas Day in July 2021. We still have a few more days before this closes. I'm hoping to come back with one more project for this collaboration before the 31st. And so I'd like to thank you again, everyone, for supporting us and for watching. Take care. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.